Hey guys, it's the all-new Safari Gold, I think. Yeah, in black. Whereas you can see the new look provided by Tata Motors, which really look impressive. This car is really amazing from whatever I was expecting from Tata Motors. As I host, your Yes Sovereign from Kingsman Cars is here to just show some of the special reviews about this car. Whereas it's really amazing comparatively with that. Where I was thinking that the service of Tata is not as good as comparing with Mahindra, but it's wrong. Tata Motors has provided us good and best quality of services. So let's check out this profile. It's coming with a black piano finishes when we are talking about the alloys. Yeah, it's I think R18 inch or R17 inch. I don't know because no, it's R18 inch only. Door handles. It's coming with a golden finishes. Out of certain, it's a sensor which allows your car to unlock. Is the real look of the car from backside. Provided by Tata Motors and of course the badging of Safari in backside. Logo of Tata Motors and rear fog lights. Along with the two real exhausts, I don't know it's real or fake, but let's just notice about all those things. No, it's a fake exhaust, guys. Can't go with that. It's really bulky comparatively with the XUV, I think so. Yeah, it's like a Fortuner, normal Fortuner 4x2, but comparatively it's more cheaper and of course a value of money car. I think its own road is around 27 to 26 lakhs, but it's really impressive at its segment. I know some of the features are missing, but not go with that because it's not useful in India. It's just to attract you. Where this car is really 5-star safety rated car comparatively with the XUV 700. When I talk about its fog light and of course setup, it's like more futuristic. Whereas I could not say about XUV 700, it's really too. But let's move on some more things about this car. It's about just headrest, right? But I'll show it inside. Look at the profile of the alloy wheels. It's really amazing. With the cut-ups of the black piano finishes and machine cut. With some silver finishes, but it's fully black piano finishes. This golden color attracts me towards this car. It's really amazing whatever I want from this car, right? And of course the badging of Safari with a golden color. As you guys know about it, Safari is like our hood towards a car. And this car is really fulfilling all those features on this price segment. Now you have to choose which you have to get with that. I've shown, and of course I have uploaded a video of XUV 700. Link is given in the description itself. You can go and watch that. Whereas it's coming with a dual setup of headlights. Seems like a DRS. This is the white setup along with the turny headlamp. This car has real air vents from the back side with the honeycomb design in the downward direction and of course an air ventilator in between and a golden Tata logo which is really impressive and much impressive. You can go with that. Of course it's a panoramic sunroof. Whereas I could say about Tata that to improve what's their sunroof. No problem, their sunroof is of high quality and of course of best quality. But size matters, guys, because they're India. And of course, it's coming with JBL speakers. That's what we see at an Legenda 4x4 and 4x2. So, if your plan is for just go with the normal car, and of course your budget is for 27 lakhs to 26 lakhs, you can go with this car, of course. look at this side profile. It's really amazing and a bulky features car. I don't know why this car impresses me too much, but really this car is really, and of course, a better car for our options. Now it's a question related to you. Which car should we go with? Either with XCV, Fortuner, or with the Safari? Because I like every car, I don't care at all. But really, this car is amazing, whatever which Hava will decide. Yes, your host from Kingsman Cars, and I will show all these things to you. Inside of the car, you can see it as golden color, which is really more impressive. This is two leather, and of course, you will get a nice and bulky interior from the inside. It really attracts me towards it. It's the, I think, so JBL speaker, but don't know actually, because I have left it from 6 months almost. You guys know about it, right? Same feature like XB700. Downward light. It's a back-end feature which is really like that. Of course, this car appreciates me too much. You can see the features about this car. Yeah, of course. Let's go with MIDs. Features of the car along with the monitors with I think 8 to 9 inch. Yeah, it's 9 inch, right? Electronic parking brake, no need of hand brakes at all. Just push it, your car gets locked at the position itself. Whereas you will get some more features like electronic stability seats of the functions. You will not get any of the features like memory functions in this car, but of course its waiting period is too low comparative with all. You can see the panoramic sunroof of Safari Gold Edition, same as provided in I think all those cars, right? With the full features is like 10-inch infotainment system. Let's look at the sunroof once again. This car is really massive and huge car. Its performance, no any of the things related to this car. This car is really amazing. What we expect from Tata Motors and Ratan Tata, of course, their team number and Gavin Cruz. Whereas it's really 9-inch smooth. Some more features is like that. Up, I think, yeah, let's go with that. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and of course some more features like it's a gold edition as we know about it, right? Then it's coming with the gold features is like that, shown in our channels earlier, with the lamp on its glove box and some gold treatment inside the car, which really appreciates me towards it. I think let's to close and of course to cancel our Legender, but this car really appreciates me too much. As I showed about the parking brakes, naturally now segment each car have about these features, right? Where let's move at the driver's side hand to glove box, right? It's a 12-volt charging socket on this car along with 5-watt and 5-watt USB cables inside that, and some storage seats with some bottle holders inside the car, and of course it's a leather seat and upholsteries. It's really appreciated you, I think. So, automatic seatings, and of course it's an automatic AC with I think 30 functions, I think 30 temperatures inside that. And of course it's like normal any car. This car also have a 220 as last speed. Now every car is having these features, right? Of course some more features should be there, as we can know about this car as the lowest prices of a Land Rover Defender, and of course like a Discovery Sport, right? Whereas this car is really amazing, what I expect from Tata. I was a bit confused about XUV700 and this car, but really this car has fulfilled all those features as I want to have. And of course service, literally we'll get low service prices on this car, same as to be on that features, right? Rear armrest along with the seating features, where let's move on to second seats and second options, isn't it? Let me show the steering wheel to you. I haven't shown, right? Volume functions. Cruise control might be on that side. Yeah, it's a cruise control side. Volume function up and down with the branding of Tata in center. And of course, upper, I think it's a wiper, rear wipers and front wipers, and that's of light controls. Yeah, it's of light controls, true. It's more bulky and sporty, I think so, but they have to provide the chrome finishes. When they will fire it in chrome finishes, it will look more attractive as like a central display. Yeah, it's the second row of this car. Literally, we have some small sunroofs. As I was thinking from backside, it should be big, but no problem at all. It's the best quality of sunroof offering by Range Rover and Land Rover Motors to Tata. And rear AC vents is in right and left side, not in the center. You should mind these features. And of course a JBL speaker, which really an impressive feature, and of course it should be in this variant because we are paying a lots of price on this car, isn't it? I think it's the 6 airbags in this car or 7. I don't know it carefully, but I'll research it and of course I'll share it to you. Whereas it's our second row, you can see the legroom is enough, comparatively is enough, and of course a headroom is enough and enough. What I was thinking, I was really impressed about this car. I was thinking that it's like bulky and interior is not up to the mark, like normal car, but isn't it? It's really amazing. Center dashboard image, it's clear and it's amazing. Whereas I could not seal it up because it's of anyone else side. It's 5-watt and 5-watt USB charging cables, and it's a space just for your carry phones and of course each and everything what you want to put out here for the long travels. What's the name?
Manish Kumar.
Yeah. And what's the waiting period of this car? I think it's a gold. It's just 15 days enough. And whereas we'll go with the XCV, it's around 8 to 9 months, which is enough and enough.